we see quite a generation gap between our generation and our parents' generation. It sometimes so happens that we want something out of our life and they don't necessarily agree with it, and we end up in a conflict. And we sometimes even curb our desires just to see them happy. So, how do we deal with that conflict?
If you want to craft your life the way you want, and what you want, if it's not in concurrence with your parents or the society in which you live in, you must understand there will be a price to pay. Only thing you're complaining about is how to have what I want without paying a price. There's no such life. We must evaluate, do I want to pay this price? What I want, does it mean so much to me that I'm willing to pay this price? Or I'm not willing to pay this price. This is individual. Some people want it so badly, they're willing to pay any price. For some people, it's a passing interest, so they will drop it and they'll go on. There's nothing wrong with both. Both are fine.